Hello, I'm in a 2015 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your coolant. So first you want to make sure your hood's open, which this currently is. Then we'll go up front, and then there's two areas you can fill. This is the top of your radiator, this radiator cap, and then over here is your side coolant reservoir. This would be where you typically want to start. And then you'll see on the side, there's marks for like where it's full. Somewhere below there should be like a low mark. Yep, if you can see it there. So you want to make sure it's, pretty close to this full line. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top because you want some air gap here, since this coolant can get really hot and start to bubble. So you want to have some space to work with. See, there's even like an overflow line here as if it bubbles up a lot. And you want to do all this while your engine's not hot. So make sure your car's turned off and has been sitting at idle for a while before doing any of these things. Because especially with the radiator cap, you don't want to get shot with a bunch of scalding hot poison, basically. Not a good day. But let's pop this right off. And then you typically want to always use the same type of coolant that's recommended and what's already in there. And also typically like a diluted 50-50 type blend. But whether you just pour straight from the bottle or have a funnel, you just fill this up till you get to your full mark. And when this is done, just pop it back on. Also check around through all the hoses through the car, make sure there's none puddling, as there's probably a reason why everything's getting low for you. Make sure you address that, see any lines or seals or something like that. But then we'll go over here, and you can check these lines for the radiator. You can check underneath the radiator, see if there's any puddling where there might be a leak. But for these caps, you just push down and turn. Again, this is a pressurized system. Do this while your car's off and cool. And then same thing here. If you need to, you can add some coolant directly into here. When you're done, just line this back up, push, twist. Make sure this is all the way tight. You don't want this loose and popping off, but it's tight. But that's it. I hope this is helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.